Hello Gators, this is 11-1, three-dimensional figures and cross-sections, day 2. Remember that we did talk about a cross-section. It's the intersection of a figure in three-dimensional space with a plane. A cross-section is the face you obtain by making a slice through the solid object. And we had this slide before. When you have the intersection of the plane and the solid, you will get a shape. And that shape right here is shown in the dotted line. Okay, let's go ahead and practice. We're going to try to figure out what the cross-section is here. Now this is a pyramid, so we know this portion of the pyramid is going to be shorter than the part that's intersecting down here. I know we can't see it, but down here it's going to be intersecting. That's going to be much longer. And then we're going to have a side here and another side here. So the answer is B. Okay, over here, the slice looks like it's parallel to the base, and here is the shape. Of course, there is the back side too, and that'll be a square. The cross section here is, it looks like it's parallel to the axis, and as it cuts through, it's going to cut through a shape that looks like this, and that will be a circle. Over here, we're slicing it at the corner. We're going to have a length here, and a length in the back, and that is going to be H. Okay, now we're going to take this shape, and what we're going to do is we're going to rotate it about the x-axis. Okay, so here's the x-axis. We're going to turn it around like this. So this is going to be like a flag that goes around. And when it goes around, it's going to create a shape that's a solid. And let's take a look at the next slide. It's going to create this kind of a shape. So what I'd like to do right now is I'd like to go to GeoGebra, and I'd like to demonstrate some rotations. All right, so here is the triangle shape, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this triangle shape and we're going to rotate it about the y-axis, very similar here. So we're going to take this slider, and it's going to go around the y-axis, and you can see it's creating a cone. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this time it's going to rotate around the x-axis. This is the x-axis right here. So the triangle will go around the x-axis, and again we're creating that cone. We have a square right now, and we'd like to rotate it around the x-axis. This is the x-axis right here. So as we rotate it, we're creating a cylinder. This time, let's rotate around the y-axis. That's this one right here. And as we rotate, we are going to create a cylinder as well. Okay, so what would happen if we took two triangles and we rotated across the x-axis? So this pink triangle would go around this way, the green triangle would go around this way, and this is the shape we would get. We would get actually two cones, one small one and one large one. Okay, and so these are the three topics that we covered: Euler's formula, cross sections, and rotations of polygons.